Hello and happy spring break, BC students. So you'll notice that I had to make a change up here. When I wrote the problem, I wrote it down wrong, and it's at t equals 0 that this velocity vector occurs. So down here, I'm alright up to here. But from here, I plug in 0 for t, and that'll make that 0, my velocity x component should be 1. So that means that. So that means it should be 1 and c should be 0. So I've got my velocity component. It's going to be, let me rewrite my speed equation here. That's going to be cosine pi t squared plus, take the antiderivative of 2t plus 1. That's going to be 2t squared over 2 plus t plus c, and I know that when t equals 0, this expression 0 plus 0 plus c should equal 0. That means c equals 0. So that means this second part is t squared plus t squared. Okay, oops, excuse me. This is a rather clumsy video. But I've got my velocity x component. I got my velocity y component. I have to plug in 2 and then simplify to find that my answer choice is C. Okay? It's a little algebra from there. My velocity component in the x part, and then the y part. Square root. Plug in 2, simplify, C.